na tayo mag-room tour kasi ihing-ihi na ako. 405 Royal Hotel. Search na tayo. Oh. 403 405 here. Moment of truth. Let's check. Okay. Are. Sige. Ayan. Oopsie. Para siyang pabahay na ginawang wait lang. Para siyang pabahay na ginawang hotel. We're here na. Ayan, maya na tayo mag-room tour kasi ihing-ihi na ako. Okay, so room tour na tayo. Ito yung pagpasok natin ng door. The door. Insert yung card. And then, we're here. Yan. Washlet kagad. Merong hand wash, toothbrush, sterilized, what's this? Sterilized cup. Para pag magmumubog ka. And then, we have blower. Or here. Face care lotion. Ano ba yan? Hindi siya mag-focus. Hey, sana nag-focus girl. Ayan, face care lotion. And then, shaving cream. And then, beauty set. Baby cotton. And then, shaver. Hairbrush. Body sponge. Or panghilod yan, guys. And that's all. Wala silang pa cotton pads. Ayan. Oo, no. Sana nagpo-focus ka. And then, here's the bed. That. May fabric conditioner. The aircon. Or heater. Eto, lagay ng coat. And, mini fridge. TV. Cups and tea. Here, cup for the tea and for water. And then the tea. Kettle. And trash can. Tapos here, meron tayong study table. At meron silang pag-beer. Pag gusto mong minom. And then, what's this? Lug. Or manual. And then, here's the bathroom. Which I think is very small. Tada! Pero, okay na rin. Mura lang naman ang bayad dito. Sa hotel. So, yeah. And then, here. Feeling ko talaga dati siyang pa-apartment na ginawa lang na hotel. Ayan, let's close the lights. And then, let's inspect this, kung ano ang laman dito. This is what I got sa front desk kanina. Pero ito pala, bathroom. And then, let's open. Okay, we have cleansing, face wash, moisture lotion, overnight milk, hairband, and what's this? Beauty set. Oh, cotton pala siya and cotton bud. So they have. Yun lang. Bababa tayo later para bumili ng water. Ngayon na tayo bumaba. Yun. Ayan. Taba ko eh. Yan, bababa na po tayo para bumili ng water. So, let's go. Pero check ko muna yung ref. Feeling ko naman walang water here. Pero let's see. Wala meron. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah, walang water. I think it's off. It's off. I won't turn it on kasi I don't need, hindi naman ako uminom ng cold water. So, let's go sa baba. At bumili tayo ng water. So, ayun. Sabi ko kanina, punta tayo sa Lawson para bumili ng water. Kaya lang, nakakatakot pala sa baba. Kaya ngayon, ang gagawin ko, I'm going to heat water. Magpainit na lang ako ng water. Tapos, yun na lang inumin ko, no? Or, habang nagpapainit ako ng water, i-ready ko na din pala ang bathtub. Para makaliw na tayo kasi it's already 11. It's 12 na actually. And ang class ko tomorrow is 10 a.m. Siyempre, I need to prepare pa kasi check out din tayo kagad bukas. So, hindi na rin masama yung hotel kasi sobrang mura ko lang naman ito na book. Ito ba akong... Ay, sorry. Sobrang mura ko lang siya nabook. Wala pa siyang 5,000 yen. There, nalaglag yung towel. Wait lang, guys. Ayan, nalaglag yung towel. Let's fix it. Kasi dyan tayo magpupunas ng feet later after mag-shower. And let's... Siyempre, since hindi naman natin bahay ko, hugasan muna natin ang bathtub before taking a shower. Hugasan muna natin. Ay! Why is it cold? Ayan, medyo mainit pa. Hugasan lang natin ang bathtub para walang dumi. Ayan. Once it's clean, ako lang itong lagayan ng shower head sa baba. Once it's clean, let's fill it up. Let's fill it up because we're going to, we're going to babad. And I don't think I need this curtain here, so ilalabas ko muna siya before I babad. Yeah. And then, bath. Let's open. Tada! Ang ating. Yan. Sorry sa paso ko, makikita nyo yan ng madalas kasi, yeah, I got it from work.
Tada! Ang bango naman niya. Pinuwi ko to, ay, dinala ko siya galing bahay actually. Because, hindi naman na kami nagbababad sa bahay kasi mahal. So, there we go. Mag-wait na lang tayo. Mag-wait na lang tayo na matapos to and then we're going to take a bath. Bye! Ay. Good morning. Kakatapos lang natin maligo. And I have clothes on. I have. Mukha lang wala, pero I have. So, ayan. Kilos na tayo for today because maaga ako kailangan doon at 10 to 3. Late na ako nagising kasi almost 1 AM na ako nakatulog kagabi. Kaya I don't think I'll have that much time to record everything today, pero I'll try my best. Kaya, ayun, dyan muna kayo while I'm preparing. Pero ayun, mag-prepare muna ako and then I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, so alis na po tayo. We're off and always make sure na before you go, ang hotel room dapat maayos. Kung paano mo siya iniwan, dapat ganun mo rin siya. Ay, kung paano mo siya dinatnan, dapat ganun mo rin siya iiwan. Eh. So, ayan, ang ating mirror. Wait lang. And then yung bed. And then the CR. Yeah, so clean. Ayan. Tapos, ang proof lang na nanggaling tayo dito, syempre ay yung mga basura. So, there. Yun lang. Bye, hotel! Bye! See you guys later. Magbibisi ako kasi kailangan ko maghabol ng oras. Kaya baka hindi ako makapag-record masyado. So, yun. See you when I see you. Bye!